Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your maths teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Yes, today we will start our new chapter, that is data handling, chapter number 14. Yes friends, this chapter is very easy. Data handling concept is very easy, and in this concept we will study regarding pictograph. Yes, and pictograph is that in which information is given in the form of symbols. Yes, here in this sum you can see there are the symbols. Yes, that is the key used, and there is a meaning of every symbol, and in this way the information is given to us. Now we have to observe this pictograph, and there are some questions asked from us and we will answer those. Yes friends, now be ready. I am going to start. See here, the pictograph, as it is clear from the name pictograph, that is made with the help of the pictures. The pictograph below shows the number of students from each grade. Each grade means from each class who have enrolled for the music class, those who have attended the music class. Yes, study the pictograph and answer the questions. Now we have to study this pictograph and we have to give the answers. Now see here, one box, yellow color box is there. There is key. One box means 6 students and the half box means 3 students. Yes, now grade 1 is there. Grade 1, this one box means 6 students. Yes, 6 students here, 6 students here, and 6 students here, and 6 here. In grade 1, how many students have enrolled? 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Here 30 students have enrolled from class 1. Yes, then it's the turn of class 2. Here is 6 and 6. Here 12 students have enrolled. Here 12 students have enrolled. And here is grade 3. Here is 6. Here is 6. Here is 6. 18, and here it is 3. 18 and 3, 21. Yes, after that grade 4 is there. Here is 6. Here is 6, and here is 6. In grade 4, 18 students are there. And after that it is the turn of grade 5. Here 6, 6, 6 and 3, 21. Yes, it is 21. Now there are some questions. Now like this we have studied this pictograph. Now there are some questions. First question is there, how many students from grade 4 have enrolled for the music class? Yes, from grade 4, how many students have enrolled for the music class? That is 18 students. So our first answer will be 18. Yes, first sum A part answer will be 18 students. Yes, then what is the B part? How many students from grade 3 have enrolled for the music class? Now grade 3, how many students have enrolled from here? 21. Here we will write 21 students. Yes, then next is there, which two grades have equal number of enrollments? Here you can see which two grades have the equal number of enrollments of the students, that is grade 3 and grade 5. That is C part is grade 3 and grade 5. Yes, then it is a turn of question D. What is there? Which grade has maximum number of enrollments? Means highest number of enrollments. Which grade has? Grade 1. Yes, it is grade 1. Yes, and the last question is, the enrollments of which two grades when added gives enrollments equal to grade 1? Yes, now grade 1 enrollment is 30. Now which two classes grade added gives us 30? And here when we observed, we got 12 and 18. 12 plus 18, 30. इन दो क्लासेस के अगर हम एनरोलमेंट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स को ऐड करें, देन इट विल बी इक्वल टू ग्रेड 1. एंड दीज टू क्लासेस आर, इट इज़ क्लास 2 and 18 is of class 4. So here what we will write, grade 2 and grade 4. Yes, like this we have done these sums. This is very easy. Yes students, now there is sum number 2. Here we need to draw one pictograph. Here how to draw one pictograph? Yes, firstly we will draw one format for this. Yes, in this sum which information is given? Here Gulliver Travels owner wishes to make a pictograph to show the number of passengers already booked for the city tour for the coming week. Help him create a pictograph using the given key. Here this means 100 people and half of this flower means 50 people. And here you can see for the 1 week passengers name number of the people is given. Now see students how we will draw this pictograph. Here we will write days. Here we will write days, and here we will write the key. What key is given here? That is, this one flower is there. It means 100 people, and it means 50 people. Yes, yes. Now day is firstly Monday. In Monday there are 400 people, so we will draw these 4 flowers. These 4 flowers we will draw. Like this, 1 flower means 100 और हमने शो करना है 400 को. Yes, like this 4 flowers will be there. After that Tuesday 350, 100, 200, 300 and 50 is there. So here only half we will draw. The next is Wednesday. Wednesday there is 250. 1 flower means 100. Then second flower 200. Then half 50. It has become 250. Yes, then there is Thursday. Thursday there are 300, so 3 flowers we will draw. Yes, after that Friday 500. Yes, so here we will draw 5 flowers. One, two, three, 4. Yes, 5 flowers. Then after Friday, Saturday is there. Saturday there is 550. So firstly 5 flowers means 500. Yes, like this. And after that Sunday is there. Yes, Sunday 600. So here we will draw 6 flowers because 1 flower means 100. 1 2 3 4 5 and one more, like this, 600. Yes, now here only we have to make the pictograph. Like this we have drawn this pictograph. Yes, you can see it carefully. Yes, in the same way you will draw it in your notebook. Yes, now let's move to sum number 3. What is there? The table below shows the number of grade 3 students whose birthday falls on certain months. Yes, in the month of January, number of students 8, means 8 students ka birthday there is, that is in month of January, and 4 students birthday is in February, 5 students birthday is in March, like this up to December it is given. Now make a pictograph to represent the data shown in the table above. Here firstly we have to make the pictograph, and students you can see here in this sum, like this, here it was given key, but here key is not given, so we have to develop the key by ourselves. How to develop the key? From here we can see the numbers carefully. Yes, so here we will birthday is there, so we will draw one cake. Yes, like this we will draw one cake and 2-3 candles. This key we will use, and it means one cake, and one cake is there, and it means one student. Like this we will draw the key. Yes, now see how to draw this pictograph. Yes, see here, firstly we will write pictograph, and here we will write name of month, and here key we will write, and key we have taken as one cake, one cake means we can write here 2 students. One cake means 2 students. Yes, and half of the cake, it means one student. It means one student. Yes, if half cake we draw, it means one student. Yes, now see how to draw the pictograph. Firstly we will write January. In the month of January there are the 8 students, so for representing 8 students we will draw one cake. One cake means 2 students, 2 students, 2 students, 4 हो गई. Then after that one cake, 6 students, then 8 students. Like this it is the 8 students birthday. Yes, in the month of January. Then in February 4 students birthday is there, so here we will draw 2 cakes. Yes, it means 4 students. Then in the month of March it is the birthday of 5 students, so here one cake means 2 students, then second means, now 2 cakes means 4 students, and total it is given in the information 5, so here we will draw one half cake, like this. Yes, then in the month of April, how many students are there? 6. Sorry, it is not given in the month of April, it is given August. There are 6 students, so here we will write August. In the month of August there are 6 students, so here we will draw 3 cakes. Yes, then after that, after August it is September. In September there are 9 students, so here 2, 4, 6, 8 and 1 half, it is 9. Yes, after September, November is there. In the month of November, there are 11 students. Yes, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and half will be there. It means 11. Yes, then after that December is there. In the month of December, there are 6 students. So we will draw 3 cakes. 2, 4, 6. We will draw 3 cakes. It means 6. Yes. Now students, there are some questions whose answers we have to give. These answers you will do by yourself. You will answer these questions by yourself. Yes. Hope you have understood this concept. Hope for your best. Thanks and have a beautiful day ahead.